Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was just doing some research in your niche in your area, and I came across your company, so I thought I would do this little video that gives you some insight as to how you're doing online. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn more about how Christy's Leads can assist your growth, please reach out via phone, email, or text, and if not, no harm, no foul. Any comments on the video are greatly appreciated. So I'm going to start with your home page here, your front page. So this looks good. You have great logo, you have your accolades up here, a call to action, which means someone can just type what they need and submit it right here and right here, your phone number, click to call. So we generally like to have about 1,500 words of content on your front page. Pictures are always awesome, helps people relate. So the 1,500 words of content are authoritative and related to your niche. And within there, we scatter some keywords that are highly searched and relevant to your niche as well. And those we do some keyword research on them. Even the way you're saving your images helps Google understand what your business is about. So things like here, kitchen remodeling, whatever areas you want to serve most, those would be keywords that you would want to be found for. And all of these areas looks like you serve. So you want the kitchen remodeling, Chester Springs, bathroom remodeling, Mannheim. So 1,500 words of content and about 8 to 10 keywords scattered about helps Google recognize you for all the services you're looking to provide. And you want them linked with your area for sure. So something like not just like quality contractor services, like quality contractor services, Chester Springs, PA. Those are helpful. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did contractors in Reading, PA. I did a Google search for it. And here is where we have our map pack. We usually have ads above it, but there are none for this page. So the map pack is where you want to be. You want to be in the top spot in the map pack. In order to get there, you have to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's, stuff like that. So we do manage that monthly to make sure that our clients have the most citations and are ranking on top of the map pack, because if they're top of the map pack and top underneath the map pack organically, they're going to get 80% of the searches on the pages for these keywords. And the objective is if you're using your website to gain traffic and get an edge over your competition, you want to appear for as many keywords as possible in the right spots, in the top spots for Google. So I'm going to last talk about backlinks and ranking organically. So underneath the map pack, you have your Angie's, BBBs. They don't count, but you do have businesses that are ranking without ads. So this was the first one I came across. General contractor Reading, D&B Construction Group. In order to get ranked here organically, you want to have a bunch of things like good Google reviews, lots of citations, lots of relevance to your site, the right keywords, but you also need to have the right backlinks. The backlinks are what keeps the keywords up. A backlink is any other website that links back to yours. So it could be like a blog where someone's talking about construction and they mention your company and they write your website, and there you are. That's your backlink. So I'm going to show you a program we use. It's called Ahrefs. It's about $150 a month. And what it does is it gives us insight into any website. It gives us their power, their trust. So here are your backlinks. So you have 13, and here are the referring domains. So the domain is where the backlink's coming from, and the backlink is the actual link. So we click on these, and pretty much, you have to beat your competition. So in order to appear organically first, you want to beat your competition. It also gives us organic search for your keywords, for your traffic. So it doesn't look like now that you're appearing for any keywords or traffic, so you're not ranking for keywords. So people aren't finding you, is pretty much what this is saying. Your website's out there, looks great, but it can't be found because there's no keywords related to your work that are in there. So let me give you an example of a company, Breyer Construction. The number of backlinks they have, 7,500. Referring domains, about 370. These are the keywords they're ranking for, and they're pulling in 6,500 visits a month. Let me just show you some of the keywords that they are ranking for and what we would do to post them and place them within your content so that you could start ranking for them. And the goal is you want to rank in the top 3. You definitely want to rank in the top like 7 or 5 because that puts you on the first page, although it varies due to ads. Top 3 usually almost guarantees that. So like egresses for basement, they're ranking in the top position, but it's doing nothing for them because it's not buyer intent. Someone saying that could want to do it themselves. They could just be learning about it. There's no real reason to be ranking for that. It just happens. The near me's, they're just so broad. See, 13,000 searches. It's just doing nothing for him either. We're looking for something with a locality attached that you would want to be ranking for. So, so we want something like PA, Reading, Deck and Pro Contractors near me. Let's just look at the second page. I might just have to kind of fish through some other competitors here to find some good keywords. All of these are keywords, but they're not helping him gain traffic. So, let me just see any location. Okay, so this would be an example of location, like Deck Repair Company, Reading, PA. This would be the search volume. I know that's not what this says. This is how difficult it is to rank for. The higher this number, that's just the more backlinks you need to rank for. And this company's in the first spot. Sixth spot, I'm sorry. But this still is not a good keyword because there's no buyer intent. That's just a national keyword. So we're looking for keywords that have buyer intent in them. All right. And I just don't see any. I could go through it, but I'd have to dig a little deeper and get maybe another competitor. But just to give you an idea give you some insight in how you guys are doing online. I know some companies just use their websites as a formality. But if you wanted to bring more traffic to your website, we'd love to help. Please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. Any comments on the video are greatly appreciated. Thanks so much.